Hi, my name is Mark Belaish. In this video, I'm going to share with you what to do if you are running a session. This will be all the steps that you need to do. So I'm going to share my screen here with you, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do. So first things first is you have to register for the event. You have to register in order for us to get you on the platform. So you go to the event, go on the right-hand side. If there's a free ticket, you can use that. If there's a speaker or partner registration, you might be able to use that. So then you check out. From there, if you have a Hopin account, you'll be able to just connect your Hopin account and log in. If you don't, you'll have to create an account, and that will ask you for your first name, last name, and so on, all the information that you're seeing here. So far, all you've done is just you've created the account, you've checked, or you've gone to the event, you've checked out, you've created your Hopin account, or if you have already a Hopin account, that's all you need to do. From there, when the time is right, and between the time that you create this and between the time of the event, we will be in touch with you on what to do, how to log in, and so on and so forth. But this will take you to the actual day of the event. What you'll do is you either go hopin.to into your account and you click on live events, or you go into the actual link again to the event, and you'll be able to come to what's here is the reception, okay? From there, if your session has started, all you have to do is click on your session, go into your session, and you'll be taken to something that kind of looks like this. Will say, welcome to your session, or something along those lines. What you do then is you share your audio and video, and then you'll be able to lock your camera if you want. You can mute your microphone. If somebody can't hear you, you make sure that your microphone is working properly and your webcam is working properly. You apply that properly. If you want to share a PowerPoint presentation, you click on here, you go to application window, you find the PowerPoint, and from there it will share with you the screen there as well. So from there, all you need to do is run your session just as you would. You're actually talking with somebody there live, and that's all you need to do. Anybody who's coming to the session can just go into the sessions and watch your session. There is another video that will give you information about how to make the most out of the whole event. And I would suggest that you watch that as well if you're interested, because there's information about the chat box and so on. And there'll be information as well. For example, someone can go onto here and they can, this event is running right now. So they will put information, they will put session chats as well in here as well. So that's a good way of connecting with people. So again, I'm not going to show you the whole demo of the whole event because there's another video that will do that, but just some other suggestions for you for as a speaker or running a session. The questions will show up in the chat box. Make sure to have a good, strong Wi-Fi signal. Reboot your computer before the event starts instead of afterwards. Make sure there's only one browser that you're running at the time, so that way there's nothing that's conflicting with it. 99% of the time, it's nothing to do with the platform or the technology. 99.9% of the time, it has to do with your computer. So if you're having technical issues, best thing to do is reboot your computer, and then from there, you should make sure that you are, I'm just going to come back live here. If you have technical issues, reboot your computer. Chances are it's your computer, it's not the platform. Also, do not do this on your phone. Do not run your session off your phone. Do it on a laptop, use Chrome. Do not use Safari or anything else for the best results available. And questions for your event will show up in the chat box as well. And for any assistance, contact us in the chat box as well. Your session, if your session is being recorded, there will be a little red light that will show up. If you don't want your session recorded, make sure to let us know, because if it's allowed to be recorded, we may provide it to you, or put it out to our YouTube channels as well. Now, what I've shown you applies to all our virtual events that we're doing. We do a number of different virtual events. In order to find out what events we are doing, best thing to do is go on to, I'm going to go back here, best thing to do is go to TorontoJobs.ca/news. Scroll down, if it's not at the top, to upcoming virtual events listings. It will take you to all the events that we have virtually going on. You may decide you want to speak at one of our other events. You may want to attend another one of our events, but we do a lot of different events, so make sure that you're there. You can also chat with the attendees, and you should watch the other video to find out how to do that. So I think that's it. That really gives you a very high level summary. Again, watch the other video that will give you information about how to use the platform. And I want to thank you for doing this and for being on. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And thanks for watching.